So, how would you like to get this sweet PowerPoint video ad template absolutely free? No wallet or opt-in required. Just click the link below to download it, save it to your local hard drive, open the file, and follow along with me in this tutorial as I show you how to modify it. You aren't going to believe how easy this is. Let's get started. After opening the file, click the Enable Editing button. And the first thing you want to do is go to File, Save As, browse to a location on your computer, and save this with a different name so you don't screw up your master. This slide deck has 8 slides, and you're going to want 8 high-quality, widescreen 16:9 images. The first thing I'll do is go to the Home tab, over to Select, and open up the Selection pane. This shows all of the various elements and layers that are on the slide. I'm going to click Hide All, and we see that there's an image here, so I know that this is a background image. To modify this, I'm just going to right-click on it and go to Format, Background. On the Fill tab, we see that it's a picture, so I'm going to go to File and pick my first picture. Next, I'll turn on the text box by clicking the eye icon and modify the text. Go ahead and Show All and move the preview over just a little bit so that I see the star, and play that animation to preview. And that's pretty much it. I'm basically just going to follow the same process for the rest of the slides. Click on number 2, and if you still have the Format Background panel open, you can just go right to File and choose your next picture. This slide has no text, so we'll just preview. What a nice effect. Let's go to the next slide. And again, Format Background, under Fill, choose my next picture. Look for any text fields that you might want to modify and take care of that. Let's move to the next one. File. Choose a picture. Preview. Complete that process for the rest of the slides, and when you're all satisfied, go to File, Export, Create Video. I generally set the slides spent on each slide to 0 and Create Video. There is a known bug in PowerPoint that sometimes videos with lots of animations rendered as MPEG-4 get a little glitchy, so I also will generally choose the drop down here and go to Windows Media Video instead, which seemed to work fine. Click Save, and your project will render out. This template comes from the new Kick-Ass Video Ads template package. To check out all 60 plus of these, just go ahead and click the link for a really nice variety of excellent templates. Hey, thanks for watching and enjoy.